In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a template in Notion. Whether you're an organizational guru or someone just getting started with this versatile tool, duplicating templates is a basic yet powerful feature that can save you valuable time and help you maintain consistency across your projects. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to open up Notion in your preferred web browser. Simply type in the URL Notion, so in the address bar, and hit enter. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so now. For those who already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will bring you to your Notion dashboard where you can access all your pages and templates. Now, once you're logged into Notion, navigate to the template or page that you want to duplicate. This could be anything from a project tracker to a personal journal or a comprehensive dashboard. Your pages and templates will usually be listed in the sidebar on the left. Scroll through or use the search feature at the top to quickly find the template you wish to duplicate. Next, with the desired page or template in view, you'll need to perform a right-click on it in the sidebar. If you're more accustomed to using mouse clicks, alternatively, you can click the three little dots that appear when you hover over the page or template. This will open up a menu with several options. From the menu that appears, simply locate and click on the option labeled Duplicate. This is where things get interesting. Upon clicking duplicate, you'll be presented with an additional choice. You can choose to duplicate with content or without content. If you duplicate with content, all existing data within your template will be copied over. This is ideal if you've set it up with specific information that's reusable for new projects. On the other hand, if you choose without content, you'll create a fresh version of the template, leaving behind any current entries or data, and there you have it. Your template will now be duplicated and appear in the sidebar right below the original, ready for you to customize and adapt as needed for your next project or task. Remember, being able to duplicate templates in Notion makes your digital workspace far more efficient and tailored to your ongoing needs. You've saved time while ensuring a consistent framework across all of your pages. Feel free to explore this functionality further and see just how versatile and efficient Notion can be in managing your digital workspaces. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your favorite tools. Happy notioning.